London Marathon is hands down the best marathon in the world, and it's not even close. That's my humble opinion.
And it's not just the marathon that's amazing, it's everything that goes on around it too.
There's also expos, shakeouts, meetups. The whole city's vibing on marathon weekend, and that's what this video is going to be all about. And we're going to start in the Expo. Oh!
It's the Thursday of marathon weekend. We're at the Expo to collect our numbers and I am so excited.
It's so massive. There's so much space for activities. That's phase one already done. That was really easy. Like the queues, there's no queues at the moment, and you don't have to be number or surname order. You just go to any desk, job done.
Do you want to see something cool? 6-star on the bed.
Mary's 6-star journey. Mary, we're in the New Balance. We're in the New Balance bit, and we're about to be financially ruined.
It's all so beautiful.
So the race, what do you call this? The race jacket?
Yes, race jacket.
£135.
And this is really nice, but there's also a pink one. But I've chosen mine, the kind of official one. I love it, I love it.
As someone in our membership group, Lord, said, it's Mary's 6-star, buy all the merch.
You heard it here.
Lord. Okay, now we've been bankrupt, we are moving into the main expo. So that was the New Balance, because they're essentially the kit sponsors, aren't they?
Sorry, I'm a bit distracted.
Why are you distracted?
Just there's so many things.
Yeah, so we're moving into the main expo now.
Right,
so like, first off is the merch, now the main bit.
Yeah.
So, we started to wander and look at the stands, and I'll be honest, my usual limit at expos are about an hour max, but I knew we were in for longer here. We had people to see and stands to check out, and it was so nice. We met up with members of our coaching community, we met up with our friend Ali, who I coach. Mary went to collect her 6-star bib to let everyone know that this is her 6-star and she's going to get her big old medal at the end, so give her a cheer if you see her out there. We also met loads of nice people who came to say hello, and some of our friends from this weird and wonderful running creator space. We saw Yimi again, who we hung out with in Tokyo. We got to meet Mark from the running channel. We had a good chat with the OG legends that are Ben Parks and Sarah, and then we also met a friend who I've never had the chance to hug until now.
Good. I'm such an amateur. I got starstruck. I was just talking to the more famous Ben from YouTube, and I forgot to press record, and we didn't get any of it.
Yeah, look, hello Ben.
Hi Ben,
nice
how
to see you.
Are you good?
Doing here?
I'm running London. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm not running London. I'm doing a 10k race in Sweden. So yeah, here for a few hours at the Expo, just meeting people, chatting,
Sub 30
vibing.
quest, right? Sub 30
Yeah, that's the goal. Yeah, so no marathon for me this weekend, but I'll leave that until December. I think I'm doing Valencia. So
are you?
That's the
amazing.
plan.
We plan to do that one day, and so. If you don't know, you will know, but Ben and I, we've done videos together like multiple times. This is the first time we've physically met.
It's crazy, yeah.
That is mad to me. I've known you for like 6 years or something.
Yeah.
And we've
our
never
first
met.
like collabs were at least like 3 or 4 years
Yeah, they
ago
were.
now.
Yeah, they were. We just
did
got to
some workout
Thailand.
videos where we basically set each other workouts and did each other's sessions, which is actually a really cool concept. We should definitely try and do
We
something
should definitely.
more like that again.
We're going to get Andy on board again, so we're missing Andy today. But yeah, it was, okay. Now I've finally at least recorded it.
Yeah, there we go. Got it on camera.
I'm actually trying to wrap my head around why the lighting is so bad at expos. In every country around the world, the lighting is terrible. Ben Parks is the busiest Ben in running. He's got so many people to meet and so many people love him, as do we. So we will be back. We're going to go and get t-shirts first. This is what the Expo is great for, is just meeting people, like seeing people. It's just lovely. Can I just say that I've just broken my own personal record by about 4 hours in an expo. I usually am out in 40 minutes, and it is now 3:30 p.m. and we went in there at about 10:30. That's madness. Amazing time though. Now we're heading to the Running Channel Clubhouse because we said that we wanted to meet up with some of the guys from the Running Channel, go and see what they're doing. So we're heading across London right now. Now, obviously, as you know, we've got an affinity and an affiliation with the Running Channel in that, you know, we met Sarah in Thailand and we met Jess in South Africa, and we know Aubrey, he's a buddy, and we know George and Owen, who are more behind the scenes, but Owen's the guy that paced Aubrey in Tokyo. So a lot of friends there. We want to kind of come and say hello to everyone and see what they're up to, and obviously they're a massive kind of channel in our niche, so that's also a nice thing to do. Like, us YouTubers like to support each other. I like to think it's a nice supportive space, as you'd have seen already today. Oh, this is the Running Channel Clubhouse. Okay, go on then. The day is done. It's time to go home. We're actually over the road. We're just chilling out. We've just been in over there, Running Channel. There's Mary, look, eating an apple. Social battery is very drained and at the same time filled up. Amazing to see so many amazing people that we know and respect in the running niche and that we would consider friends. But it's time to go home now. Like, I'm done. I've been out way longer than I should be. I was way past my bedtime. And tomorrow the carb load begins. Tomorrow the kit check begins, and then we're back in the city on Saturday for our shakeout, for our members meetup, and literally getting ready to run London Marathon. So let's go home. Let's go to sleep. Well, it's Saturday. We absolutely blew past Friday. We stayed at home, we worked. It was an entirely uneventful day. You don't need to see that, just need to know that it's now Saturday. We're now at France Station. We're now heading into London for our shakeout with Runderwear. Man, we've got a crazy day. So we've got shakeout with Runderwear today. Then we've got a mess-hat meetup. We've got dinner with Mary's family have come down to support us. Here's Mary. Oh, hang on, we got to go. There's Mary. So it's going to be a crazy day. It's going to be a great day, though,
Yeah,
right? We're going to
so
really
excited.
take in all the vibes of London. Picking up stragglers along the way. Look at this straggler. You probably don't remember Tom, but he's been in he's my best mate, so been in a load of videos back in the day. Do you miss me, Tom? No. This is Admiralty Arch, hopefully not another shakeout run that's picked our place.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, all right, thanks.
Right on. Right on.
Right, oh my goodness. Is
Yes,
this...
everybody's here for you.
No, they're not.
Genuinely, we turned up to Admiralty Arch thinking someone else had picked our shakeout location because there was like 50 people there, and honestly, it always blows our mind that anyone would turn up for us and say hello, and that was the case. Oh man, it was crazy and it was scary, but it was amazing. So if you came to the shakeout run, thanks for coming. It was so humbling.
Okay, I better do some filming, otherwise I'm going to get told off because I haven't done any yet. We've just started the shakeout run. I'm just weaving up. There's a lot of shakeout runs going on, and there's a children's distance race. I don't know how far it is, but that's going on as well. So there's a lot going on. But this is amazing. Look at lots of lovely people running with us. No, I'm trusting. As Ed said, we don't really know where we're going, but we're just trusting that the giant testicle ahead of us is taking us in the right direction. So you probably can't. Yeah, it stands out at least. So if in doubt, look for a giant testicle in a park. Don't do that, actually. You get put in prison. This is pretty cool, isn't it?
This is amazing.
How's your calf? We need to do a calf check.
Do you know what? I think it's fine. Like, I'm aware of it, but I think that's me being so
hyper aware.
conscious.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hey.
How are we doing? So such a good turnout as well, which is so nice. Like, must be 50, 60 runners.
It's amazing.
And friends and family as well. You know, Mary's brother is here. Some old work mates. My best mate, and my mate Freddie. Hey. Freddie's here, living the dream. So yeah, it's a great turnout. Look at that, sunshine, London Eye. How good is this? We've got all sorts of people. Look, it's Indian Calvin. How are we doing?
Good, good.
Oh man, this is so good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Indy just ran Boston, like literally 6 days ago.
Yeah.
How are the legs?
Still a bit high. But okay, but it's
good. I'm glad. Yeah, this is nice and casual.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice. Look. It's a recovery run. Yeah. I was just saying on camera, if you ever need to know where you're going in this park on this run, follow the giant testicle. And then you are good.
easy to spot.
Yeah, and you're running London in this tomorrow.
I am indeed, yes. Second London.
Amazing. Well, you run enough as a giant testicle, right? You run a lot of stuff.
I have. There's been about 500 kilometres run so far. I've been running across the country.
Oh, I love it. That's what it's all about, especially London. Yeah. If you just hold that and it's just videoing, but if you're going to take a photo.
Nice. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Let's just get you on camera because this was our run guide, Jamie. Also the CEO of Runderwear, but that's the run guide today. So thanks for doing that. That was amazing.
Oh, it was what a lovely day for it as well. We got lucky with the weather.
So many groups out there,
and seeing all the kids running their like mini marathons, fantastic.
Yeah, wasn't it?
Just so great.
Yeah, it's good for the soul. And this is the day before the marathon.
Yeah,
tomorrow's gonna be crazy.
I'm getting major FOMO now.
Yeah.
I'm getting major FOMO. I really want to run.
Just sneak onto the course.
Yeah. Might do
What's
the
the
reverse.
worst that can happen? Touch it. I tell you what, I'll take advantage of this amazing lighting that I'm standing under right now because we're in like a secret hidden room in Great Scotland Yard Hotel for Runderwear have very kindly put on a breakfast for people that came to the shakeout run, members of our community. You can hear it's quite loud in here, but no, this is awesome. We've got Mary's mum and brother are over there as well. So it's a nice way to finish the run. We've got a members meetup. We've about 35 of our members coming for lunch near Tower Bridge, and then after that it's chill. Take the load off the feet, put the feet up and just get our minds right. And make this video. That was an interesting technique I was enjoying. Cut the banana first with a knife.
It's easier.
It is actually, yeah, fair enough. We're always learning how to eat bananas, carb loading.
Honestly, if Mary and I were going full send tomorrow, then we'll probably try and be off our feet as much as possible. But we're soaking up the vibes, and so we decided that we're just going to spend a whole day with our community and chill out and meet the people that we've got to know over a lot of years. So yes, we've got this breakfast and it's amazing, and we basically go across town straight away to Tower Bridge after the breakfast for a lunch as well at a really great place called Blessed Dark Coffee in Devon House near Tower Bridge. To be honest, look at these views, absolutely spectacular and amazing people.
I've got to tell you a funny story. Somehow we have got this incredible space to ourselves in the middle of London. I can literally see Tower Bridge over there, and it all happened by accident. I was walking around on Google Maps Street View looking for places that a bigger group could hang out and have a coffee, and I saw this place, didn't know it wasn't open to the public, messaged them and said, we got a group of about 35 people, and they were like, well, we don't usually, but so massive shout out to Blessed Dark Coffee who have opened this space. It's in Devon House and it's literally views of the river and views of Tower Bridge, but this is such a great turnout.
So good.
He's not even running. He's the only one carb loading. I'll just show you this because this is our view from the cafe that we're in
What? I'll be running over that tomorrow, which is pretty sick in itself. Actually, I've got an idea. Short, sharp, soundbite marathon tips, whether you're running London this year or next, because we've got some people that have run London a lot of times in here. Okay, this is Lisa. Lisa has run London before. What's your one top tip?
My one top tip is don't put your bag in too early because the grass is a bit wet. If you put your bag in too early, then you've got a wet bottom. And also the baggage staff are brilliant and they're so good and efficient, so don't put it in too early.
That's the top tip. Okay, this is Nigel. Nigel, what's your London tip?
Do not rely on your GPS.
Because it goes a bit haywire in Canary Wharf.
And there's 2 tunnels, Limehouse Link and
Yes.
Embankment tunnels. So it will go through. You'll literally have 1 kilometre really, really fast, and then your next one's really, really slow. And you're like, so just go by the mile markers or the kilometre markers.
Yeah, if in doubt, manual split. I'm going to put Lord on the spot because Lord has been twice round the 6 majors. And how many Londons?
Tomorrow will be number 12.
12 Londons. Okay, you've got. Right, I put her on the spot, but top tip.
Top tip for London. So I can have 2 top tips. My first one is have a little bag that you can put your gels in, your snacks, your toilet roll, whatever else, so you can put all your stuff that you want on the baggage lorry early, so you haven't got to worry about getting out of the queue. That's my number 1 top tip. My second top tip is London is the best marathon you are going to run ever. Soak up every single second. Take your headphones out, have your name on your vest, and just enjoy the crowd vibes. They are incredible.
They are 2 top tips. Actually, they're 2 very good tips. But 12 Londons, you would expect that. Thank you. Okay, I'm not going to ask Harvey, but I am going to ask Jeff and Jay, like, top tip for London.
Soak it in and enjoy the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Definitely enjoy that. Remember, it's a point-to-point course, so when you hand your bag in at the beginning, you might not be able to get it back again afterwards because the lorry might leave. I made that error. Didn't put my race shoes on.
Oh yes, and Jeff had to go and buy you some new shoes.
He had to buy me a new pair of shoes and hand it to me on the
Top
course.
tip, don't try new trainers on race day.
Middle of race day. To be fair, top tip also, perhaps, forget to put your bag in and then you get a new pair of shoes, no?
Oh, is that
True.
your idea?
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah,
busted.
I
Busted.
planned it.
Thanks, guys. So we're leaving Blessed Start. So this cafe is amazing for the view. You saw the views, right? Blessed Start it's called at Devon House, and the guys have been amazing to us. But we're heading back now because both my big toes feel like they're going to explode, if I'm being completely honest. So tomorrow might be a bit of a sufferfest, but we will pick up the pieces afterwards is how I always look at this. Look at that. You can even see the gherkin here, look. This is all you need to know in terms of kit. This is what we're going to be wearing. This is our Lord's Taverner's top with underwear, with our names on it. So if you see us out there, give us a huge shout. If you've watched this before we run, obviously. And if you liked this video, check out the Manchester Marathon video, because I ran Manchester last week. Oh my God, my toes are going to explode tomorrow. And make sure that you, make sure that you subscribe so that you can watch London Marathon, my journey, and then Mary's journey, Tuesday and Wednesday. It's going to be a ride. We cannot wait.
Let's go get it.
6 stars. See you soon.
Bye.